The switch knob is attached to your tool's ignition switch on the top of the throttle handle. The plastic knob allows you to turn the tool's ignition on and off. Over time, the screw that secures the knob can vibrate out and the knob can be lost. It can be accidentally damaged if the tool is dropped. Replacing the switch knob is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how.
Hi, I'm Mark Socha.
Do-it-yourself repairs like these are easier than you might think. From lawn machines to cordless drills, kitchen mixers,
Outdoor grills.
our how-to videos walk you through each repair from start to finish. So doing it yourself means never having to do it alone.
Let's get started.
I'll begin by removing the old switch knob from the handle. The knob is secured with a screw. Now I can install the new knob. I'll orient the knob so the stop writing is pointed towards the motor, and then I'll secure it with the screw. And that's how easy it is to install a new switch knob on your small engine. Be sure to check back often for new videos and expert advice. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up
And leave a comment.